Where are you? I cannot come. I'm writing my exam. You failed that exam. You fail. You don't. I will come and sleep with you in your hostel. You don't know me.
Funny Bone Live, Aina San.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Answer me. Even if I don't have your money, answer me. That's something that causes depression. Good evening. Yeah, nice to see you guys. Abuja, you guys are amazing, man. My name is Jesta, the comedian, and this is my second time in Abuja. Second time ever. You guys are amazing. Yeah. Trust me. Yeah, but when I did to organize, they tire me. It's organized when I road all wide. Everything all they go smooth. Like, getting no even day road. Really, gosh, I know if you did this Abuja. Road all wide. The government, they carry money, they run. That's that. I go to my boss. We need you for that number 9. You never would. Go play. Go play. You never would. I like Abuja. There's something I like about Abuja. Now, an organization, see from airport. Don't notice if Abuja airport, they need to beg people. They need to beg. Like say, when I tell on airport people when they do the beg. Now, would they beg the club so you don't do? They know they beg for Abuja airport too. Hey, welcome, sir. You sir. Airpace flights, Eric. Welcome. No problem. Lagos airport, they take beg, you won't take your life. You go see elderly woman, 70 years, please find something for your girl. 70 years. A 70-year-old girl begging. They even they beg, tell you who to follow, give.
Not be only me, go give that my brother, that one we did there.
Useless people. Yes, sir. I even like if I say all the best air hostess for Nigeria, they carry them put for flights for Abuja. The way air hostess for Abuja, they fine. See where big men, you know, say if you want all these big men, if you want to see them finish, enter plane. See where young get they control them. Please open your belts now. Close your seat. You don't mean it.
But once you see man, leave this place. What's your problem? Don't tell it.
All these men, no. But once you see big man, when you're inside plane, everything is sweet amo. Beautiful air hostess is tall. You get some kind of states, if you see their air hostess, I don't go one state for East. I don't want name. I see air hostess, she tall. Get baby for chest. I say, what is the problem? And not be smooth hair. Those ones where they cough, she was a chairman. What is this? No, now I go organize this properly. No, now they enjoy for you. That's why I like big men. I like the sugar daddies in Abuja. All the sugar daddies, raise your hand. They no born their way. Raise your hand.
Now they won't press phone this boy. Oh, you idiot. Very stupid bastard.
All these men, if you see the way that they beg University of Abuja girls, where they don't drink root, herb, and coconut oil.
Where are you?
I cannot come. I'm writing my exam.
You failed that exam. You failed. You don't. I will come and sleep with you in your hostel. You don't know me.
For house and they're responsible. Don't talk. See the way that they want their wife. And you get what Nigerian men they always do. You go just do on your own. Your marriage they go very well. You just wake up, go do DNA test. On your own. Can't go find and say the picking no be your own. You can't invest for your wife. You make me to train another man's child. Wow. That guy will get big news for Uni Abuja where they train. Are you picking? As one stupid, all of us. Answer. That guy where they call every morning.
You know I love you more than my immediate family. Yeah, I love you. I'm an idiot for you.
It's easy to satisfy sugar daddy. All these men where they, you know, when a man is from 50, very easy to satisfy him. They get one thing.
Where are you? Come and lick my nipple. I want to sleep.
Finish. Now the guy walk with that. She dey save am chairman lick nipple. Let's go. Where are you? Uber to go on. Now her job. What do you do for a living? Man, lick nipples just on Fridays and Thursdays. Now why girls get money now? Sugar daddy all they spend on them. Get the way you all lick in toe.
Look at what you are doing to me.
You don't give an estate. Before you satisfy sugar mommy. They know themselves. See them here. You go knock. 4 days knocking. You are not doing anything no, for 200,000. You are not started. Enter this other side. I will take your destiny today. You want money, right? Okay, laugh. Nobody will talk. Obi Kubana no one laugh.
They will not say they do that kind of thing.
So good to be here. You know, sometimes I wear suit. Yeah, so that when I go visit, I get money. For Lagos, they take suit lying. Somebody go wear suit like this, go to bus stop. Actually, now full him out.
Can I meet you? Actually,
John leave him.
actually, what I do, actually.
They can beg. Nigerians with the beg. Oh. Who get money, they beg, who get pass them. No, you know, say the way would they beg for this country as people. I imagine say, as a Nigerian, we get Nigerian coach where they coach Manchester United. And you know, see those players get money where? Early morning, the coach goes say, maybe, which coach I will use? Maybe. Which coach may I use? Early morning, the coach just wake up. Rashford! Yeah, it's me, coach, calling you. 1 minute. I feel you say you're smart. Rashford go just come. Typical Nigerian man, go look the player. Rashford, I don't normally do this, but I'm like a father to you. Since I start coaching this club, have I ever begged you money? May no go to this, I be small picking. I have a son bigger than you, kind of pillars. I just received a news that my wife swallowed shovel. I need surgery. If anything fit there, with the beg away. Yeah. And you guys appreciate comedy. That's what I love. Yeah. When I came up on stage, everybody they uptight. Now and they laugh. Laughter unites. Laughter unites people. Yeah. You don't know. You don't go even look who they sit down next to because you they laugh. Yeah. Laughter and unity. So the way when they support comedy, yeah, they're very happy. Where I'm from, I be a Akwa Ibom boy. They know they too like laughter. They don't like happiness. You get the way they annoy them. So you all go meet Obi Kubana, sir, my show is on Sunday.
Oh, amazing. I think I'll call with my family.
Akwa Ibom man. Sir, so I have a show on Sunday.
How much is table?
1 million on table, 2 million.
It's okay. So this table, who and who will stand on top?
No, it's just like it's a normal table.
So you mean to tell me, wait, don't move. You mean to tell me that I will leave my family house, pay you 2 million for you to make me laugh? Is that so? It's okay. Let me ask you one question. Young man, have I slept with you before? If I get out.
I dey throw away money away for you now. I dey perform with the Snapchat, the mock me. You know, say I go be big star to chairman. Well done. Now your clothes combination I dey like. Since good ultimate message, if no be rapper and suit and toilet paper, what do you wear? I like Nigerian actors. They never get old. That's why I like them. Yeah, wonderful. He's a legend. Like this other comedian talk. I don't dey watch you since I did small. Yeah, and you see they young. Please put your hands together for him. Great guy. I like him. No fear, I no go talk rubbish. No, they look me like this. You know one laugh for all in your armpit, don't sweat. You know, if you get money for here, use flight. Oh. Yeah, flight is actually safe. No use bus. What we don't see for bus for Nigeria these days? At least flight today, they check everybody. Go to the side. Nobody go bad thing. You know, go know who you sit down with for bus. Oh. Boss, I don't lap arm robber from Benin. I don't lap a suicide man from Benin to he sit down for my lap, they do operation. I'll beat you. Hey, level your money. I dey lap him. No. So flight is better. Yeah. It's better. It's good. So if you get money, use flight too. Boss, people they use bus. Actually, poor men are the survivors for this country. Yeah. If you know you don't want to make money for anything, make money for your children to come. Yeah. Make money. Poor men, you get one thing where poor people always talk. You can carry 2 million, go send your children to school. That waiting they teach for that school of 2 million. They teach my pikin for this school. Waiting the teachers for that school, no. My pikin teacher, no. Not true. But I know they go the same excursion. I know be the same excursion. All these big schools for Abuja, for Lagos, they carry children. Excursion from Lagos, go to England. Where children can't tell you, mommy, we're going on an excursion. We want to go and see the Statue of Liberty. They go fly them. They're inside the school fees. They go see Donald Trump. Excursion. They are learning. All this grammar school. All the excursion. Every day. Zoo. Until Python swallow principal. Every day. Zoo. And not even better zoo. Those zoo for Ogun State. Where lion here Yoruba. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. I love you guys. Good night.
Big things, ni mo like. Yeah.
Funny Bone Live, Aina San.